cashers round today. 4 games. We'll cut to the top 12. We're actually on the same pair. Anthony's he's on the show right now in 4th place. I'm in 6th. I'm 50 back at him. So I got a little bit of work to do. I think we both do. But yeah, new game plan. I got a game plan for the long pattern. Short pattern, both pretty good on. So we're gonna just hopefully make some quality shots today, make some good decisions, and hopefully we'll be on the show.
Sam Cooley. Second at plus 275, Jacob Buttrop. Third, plus 265, Jake Peters.
Yeah, we're not that far back.
Plus 172, David Haynes. Fifth, plus 170, Anthony Shannon. Sixth, at plus 146, Darren Tang. Seventh, at plus 117,
We went from
Jay
outside
Pratt.
the number to
Eighth, at
6.
plus 115,
Back to
Gregory
6.
Thompson. Ninth, at
All
plus
right.
107, Michael Fitzgerald.
All right, we survived. I think I was like in 15th or 14th going to that last game. So popped off a big one. The right lane gave us a little bit to work with. Didn't miss. Dave's a beast. And we got 8 more games to try to make a run at the ladder. Anthony's bowling good. Currently in 6th. Anthony's in 5th, so we're bowling him first. I don't know where my car is. Where'd we park? I think I'm over here somewhere. Anyways, let's go.
It's a bonus for a win, 15 for a tie, 0 for a loss. We'll serve total. Carried over from your first 16 game.
Right, we're 4 games into match play, and I'm heating up a little bit. Got a little 500 bomb the last 2 games. I think I figured out the long pattern, or Sam helped me figure it out. I was just watching what he was playing. I think I was way too far left outside the window of the pattern, so I decided to go weaker ball, move further right, a little more direct, a little more firm. That's where we're at. Let's
guy just pulled a great game. He's the man.
It was a pretty good one. Thanks, man. Bowling, man. Bowling. My man's is tired. Have you ever bowled at this level for this many games before?
No,
Where your brain is constantly just firing on all cylinders.
this is a gauntlet. It's exhausting.
You bowled really well.
Yeah, can't be mad. Yeah, only having things to be proud of.
I don't think PJ's bowled his best,
Not today.
but he's got a really good job.
Yep.
He could invest for you. So if
Right.
you want to make some money, let me know in the comments.
Here's a tip. Product placement. Don't bowl on this. Bad investment.
Anyways, I'm pretty close to locked on the show. I don't think I can get to second. I don't know how Jake's been bowling. Sam bowled really good this weekend. He's going to be the top seed, I think. So I need to figure something out for the fresh. We got one more game of position round. You know, he might make it in. You never
Might.
know. I think
Never
he's
know.
about 100 and change out.
Yeah, it's quite a bit of ways.
Did he
to go.
win the game down here? Butter?
No idea.
No. I don't be on this version. See? I know it was like a 2-pin match. I don't know.
No, I didn't see.
Anyways, you know, if he pulls a good game and you know something up top happens,
Who knows?
who knows? All right, we made the show. I actually had to strike first ball in the 10th in position round to hang on to the number 3 seed. Made a random ball, not a ball change, zone change, and ended up acing it. So 3 seed, I get lane choice, which is huge. I'm definitely finishing on the short because I still haven't figured out the fresh. So hopefully we steal a couple on the right lane and then get them all on the left lane and run this ladder.
All right, guys. Jeez, crazy. So we finished 6th plus 332, I think. Field was insanely good. Top 4, Jake, Jacob, Darren, and who else bowling? Man, I can't remember. It's all tour guys, so I can't complain about 6th. 6th is really good for how I've been bowling, and I made a lot of good improvements this week. So just got to take the wins from today and feel proud of myself for bowling super well. So yeah, it's awesome. Let's hope Darren gets the win.
Mr. Jacob Butler.
All right, got 1 down, 2 to go. Butter struggled a little bit. They're tough. Rerun, they're tighter. Ball's not hooking quite early enough, especially on the short. But my look got better on the long with urethane because they're a little cleaner. So you're gonna have to see how it plays out. Well, wasn't meant to be this time. Where do I start? I finished third. Bowled Jake in the semifinal match. I needed a double in the 10th. I thought I absolutely laced the first one, gave the big 4. So I made a 1-0 move. I thought I threw the second one good enough. 4-7, I hung up in it a little bit, so that's probably why it hooked just a touch early. But that first shot, I thought I aced and it went high because just in the wrong spot. I was aboard further right than I think I was the shot before, so you know, it was a good week. You know, coming from struggling really bad on that long pattern and figuring something out during match play, I'm not mad about it. You know, I'm pretty happy with third this weekend. I didn't think I was going to make the ladder. I almost missed the top 12, so overall solid weekend. Thank you, Bolero Mesa and staff here. You guys are wonderful. I love bowling here, mostly because I bowl really well here. All right, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you are enjoying the content. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.